Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Samsung TV to Xfinity Hotspot. So all you need to do is follow these steps. So step 1, turn on your TV, power on your Samsung TV, press the home button on the remote. Step 2, open network settings, go to settings, select general, choose network, click open network settings, select wireless. Step 3, select the Xfinity Hotspot. From the Wi-Fi list, select Xfinity Wi-Fi, press connect, and then for step 4, sign in to Xfinity. After connecting, the TV should open a sign-in page. Enter your Xfinity ID, email username, and then enter your password. Accept the terms complete login. If the sign-in page does not appear, open the TV's web browser, visit any website, example.com. The Xfinity login page should load automatically. Step 5, confirm connection. Go back to network status. Make sure it shows connected to internet. Important notes, you must have an active Xfinity account. Public hotspots may have slower speeds than home Wi-Fi. Some streaming apps may not work properly on public hotspot connections. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.